Hi, I'm Pradnya Popade. I head the marketing communications at Samsonite South Asia Private Limited. It's been 23 years in the industry and marketing. I'm really a passionate marketer. Well, we had gone through the agency profiles, almost 6 to 7 agency profiles. And we called 3 best agencies for the pitch round. BC Webwise was one of them. What I really liked about BC Webwise is number one is they had done their homework really well. It's very difficult to understand the consumers who operate in a premium segment, and they had the well understanding on the category, on the consumer's journey, their footprints, and their whole non-linear journey, and how we can map that to grow the D2C business. That's number one. And number two was the whole ecosystem, bringing everything on from the top funnel to the bottom funnel and the funnel based strategy with the role play of the ORM, SEO, and building the brand equity on the web. I think some of these strategies were really helpful. And the last is having an understanding of deploying the single customer view. And these are the 3 main points which we felt. So, every platform and every strategy on the digital ecosystem has its own role to play, and they all contribute to get the right audience, to the lead generation, or even for the conversion. Basis whatever we have done, and it's been such a long journey. What we feel is that the programmatic is the best way to get the right audience, and therefore build the whole funnel based strategy and get the reach audience and have a higher ROAS on the conversion also. So programmatic, yes, definitely it works. Also the affiliate marketing, but it's a really small pie because we operate in a premium segment, but there's something good way that we can grow on affiliate marketing also. In terms of expectations, it's like you have these expectations from every partner, who are in this journey with you for a growth. So I think the number one would be to understand the category really well, because the category today is not just about the commodity, but having it as a lifestyle product where person can complement it on its own journey when they are on a travel. So it's very important that you look at as a category, understand the dynamics, understands the trend which are going to come, and therefore act upon it in terms of in your strategies and plans. Second, the most foremost would be having the shared values, have the wavelength, have the understanding, and work towards one common goal. That I felt that BC Webwise was really on the same page. The third thing would be about raising the bar from what you've done, because performance marketing and getting the right audience is all about continuously optimizing and figuring out the avenues how we can improvise our last performance. And the last thing would be, and it would be the first nowadays if you see in the scenario, is that having a collaborative efforts, figuring out the partners, having the partnership with the different platforms, with different brands, with different marketing-led initiatives or the tactical-led initiatives. So have a lot of collaborative efforts to grow the brand and increase the footprints and be a proactive and having agility in all the actions. Like I said, BC Webwise have helped us in many collaborations and partnerships. Intermiles was the biggest partnership because that gave us the sharper targeting because of the airline data. Because of that partnership, we could reach out to the right audience, and that too in a recom marketing way with a fantastic ROAS. The second thing on top of my mind comes, I think, the Google countdown ads, and it's always good to use the FOMO, which is fear of missing out on performance marketing. So that innovation really helped us, and that gave us almost 7 times ROAS, which also won us the award. BC Webwise have been really amazing partners. I think we've all had a really good wavelength. It's been a good team exercise all this while. They spend hours and hours in our office, and I think the willingness to go more and be proactive and do more has been really good. So yes, I think really good. Kudos to the team.